This Saturday, June 7th, on Saturday Morning Runnings, we are talking about how we get from granny house to group chats, how we stay connected as a family in this digital age, love, laughter, and legacy in this digital age. My people, you remember when we used to squeeze up in a granny house for Sunday dinner? Now it's all about group chats, WhatsApp, Zoom link, and everything digital. This Saturday, we are keeping it real as usual and full of vibes. How families stay close across the miles and across time zones. Prayer chains that move mountains, group chats that bring belly full of laughter daily, reunions that remind us of who we are. So don't miss it. Come and laugh, share your stories, and celebrate family. Catch us live on Voices with Lady D on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell your auntie, your uncle, and your cousin to come and join us this Saturday on Saturday Morning Runnings.